Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a custom checkout page in Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left side, click on Online Store, then click on Themes. Here, you will see your current live theme. Click on the Customize button next to your theme. This will open the theme editor. While you cannot directly edit the checkout page from the theme sections, you can change the branding elements like the logo, colors, and fonts. In the theme editor, look for the checkout settings. This is where you can upload your store logo, adjust the background color, and pick the typography that matches your brand. For example, you can upload a transparent logo and set the accent color to match your main store color. Make sure to preview these changes to see how they look on the checkout page. If you want deeper customization, you will need to edit the checkout settings in your Shopify admin. Go back to your dashboard and click on Settings at the bottom left corner. Then select Checkout. Here you can adjust customer account settings, enable phone number fields, customize order processing, and even add custom checkout scripts if you are on Shopify Plus. Another great way to enhance your checkout is by using Shopify apps. There are apps that let you add custom fields, gift messages, or even a one-page checkout experience. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for checkout customization apps, and pick one with good reviews. That is how you create a custom checkout page in Shopify.